Hello everyone, welcome back to App's tutorial. So today we are going to talk about how can we fetch all the installed applications in our Android mobile and show it to on any GridView or ListView. So let's get started. So let's create a new project and give the name as GridView demo. So do not forget to download our application App's Launcher from Google Play Store. I will put the link into the description. And if you want to learn the basic of Androids, you can click on the I button. It has like very basic of Android. How can we start with your first application? Okay, so here we can see activity main.java is created, main activity.java, and we have activity underscore main. So this activity underscore main is view of our Java. So whatever views we want to define, we can put in our XML class. Let's create a grid view with match parent, height match parent, and do not forget to create the ID of grid view. GridView apps and give the number of columns here. Number of columns. So let's put 4. Now let's go to main activity. We create the object of GridView. Initialize it, GridView equal to GridView find view by id or dot id dot GridView apps. It says activity main does not contains GridView underscore apps. Let's see, let's do a build. Yep. So sometimes when we get these type of errors, we just create our build again. Okay. Now I'm going to create a custom method, a public method where I will be querying all the installed applications. Public void query intents. Launcher. So here we have different categories. If we see, so we have to select category launcher. So this flag we can use for uh, filtering out system applications, or uh, we using this we can filter out the categories of applications also. So we will be going forward, we will be seeing that there are different places also where we can put the uh, flags to filter out our application. For example, now we have to query the activities, all the intents available in our Android phone. So we have to fetch the list of all intents. Type will be resolve info. First, package manager. Okay, let's create the object of package manager first. So it is something like, how can we get the package manager? We have to get the context of this activity. So we can get it by get application context dot get package manager. So package manager dot query intent activities, and we have to put the parameter intent, and here we have to put the flag 0. And if you see here the second flag, the second parameter, if you go to this package manager class, we have so here we can see all the flags. Okay, so using these flags we can get the different categories of applications, like uninstalled packages, reason policy, reason unknown, reason. So we have so many flags here. So based on our requirement we can use it. Okay, now we got the infos. Now let's use it in the for loop. Infos. A single application contains multiple infos. So currently what I'm doing, I'm just showing it using a string. So I will be just first showing you all the application names here, and later I will be putting it to some custom object. I will be creating a custom project. Okay. And for that we will have to create a custom adapter as well. Okay, so why not create a custom list directly? If you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. Now first let's check if this code is able to query all the application or not. So for that one, what I have to do, simply I will be creating a log and we'll be seeing that if all the lists are getting generated there. Why it is not getting generated? Oh, yep, we forgot one thing. So before starting everything here, so we have to put the permission in the XML file, manifest file. In the manifest file we have to put the permission for the querying the all the applications. So what we have to do for that, we have to give uses permission name equal to query all packages. Yes, and now permission query all packages. Now let's run this. Yeah, if you see here, we are able to see all the app names here: camera, Chrome, settings, drive, map, message, photos, YT music. Yeah, so all these are installed application in our virtual device. And if we run this in our own phones, maybe we will be getting more applications. So it has very few applications installed. So now up to here it is working. So in the second part, what we will be seeing, now we have to create the view of our grid view, uh, a holder of our list apps, and we will have to create a adapter as well. So that we will be covering into the second part. Thank you for watching.